Hey people, so we are at this place called Rang Mahal, which is in Bachpalli, and true to its name, it's got like red decor and blue lightings, and if you were to take a look, it looks really nice. But we are here for the food, and this is mushroom biryani that we have before us, and it's for 300 bucks, but it's so worth it. Ayush, what's your opinion of this of the mushroom biryani, Ayush?
It's a 9.6 out of 10. Really good.
Really, that's a very high rating according to my child, because he never is not as generous in his ratings as I am probably. Ayush, would you want to put this mirchika salan and some of this raita? They say it enhances the taste of the biryani. Do you want to try it? It's very spicy.
Try some of the.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this place is it's a bit tiny, but as you can see, it is quite crowded. I mean, so that is always an indication of
Well, I don't like the mirchi thing.
yeah.
I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Correct. And then one final thing that I'd want you to, and some of this raita, beta, it's raita, but sometimes it is made out of cream, sometimes. So you'd want to, can I put some?
Right, I'm not a fan.
Okay, but can I put some?
No.
No,
So
okay.
that's an automatic one, but that
Okay.
won't affect the rating of the restaurant.
Okay, and taste the Khubani ka meetha and tell us how it is.
I'm not a,
Okay, yeah. How did you find it?
I'm not a Kubalika meter fan, but this is a 7 out of 10.
Really? And see, we are sitting facing the, we like the view also. And if I were to take a taste of the Khubani ka meetha, pretty good. My God, it's 430 for everything on the table, but it is so worth it. So Rang Mahal it is in Bachpalli, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.